Hello, my crochet angel. How are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Today, I'm going to show you my favorite shop for yarn. I used to come over here for buy a lot of yarn, and today I'll show you all crochet yarn. This is Michael shop. I love Michael shops, and this shop situated in 5106 Northern Woodside NY 11377. So I live in Woodside too, so it's very close to my home. So this is the yarn, and you can see it's a lot of yarn, and I love yarn and so colorful, and every brand over here is available and so many quantity over here, like whatever you want you can get it. So I just used to come here and take a lot of yarn. So you can see this is very beautiful and shade color. I love shade color yarn too. So this is all wool and taron cake and have red hard wool, and I'm looking for red hard wool also. I'll take more. And there are so many branded. Look at this yarn, is so cute, right? It's so pretty color. So today I'll buy a lot of yarn. This is red hard wool, and I feel I am now living in heaven, and one day my home will be like that. This is red hard wool, you can see. So I'll take a lot of wool from here. So beautiful color, so pretty color, and every brand is very nice wool. There are so many shade color. I love purple, so I'll take over here from like so many pieces. This is purple. This is pink. This is hot pink. It's cotton yarn, so I'll take this one for me. This is shade color, blue and white. This is purple color. I'll take this one too. So I take a lot of yarn today, and usually when I come here I take a lot of yarn because I need it, so I just buy a lot of yarn together. So I take more and more and more. Actually, if I go over here I can control myself. I don't control myself. I take more and more yarn, so many yarn. If you live in New York City, you can go to Michael shop and you can find your yarn. I'm pretty sure you'll love it. I bring a basket, so I until my basket full. So I just take yarn over and over. I want to fill my basket by all wool and yarn. I take this yellow too. So I take this one too. It's orange color shade. This is purple one. I'll take this one too. You see my basket already fuller, but I need more. So I'm looking for more yarn. So now I'm looking for caron cake. You can see it's so many all over here. I become crazy when I come here. I can control myself. Over here you can see is so many hook, clip and everything, like all accessories, hook, everything of crochet. So you can see this all accessories over here, this part. So everything is available here. Everything is one store. This is the main part. So I like that's why this store so much. This is all also yellow orange color. And this is all DMC yarn. I love DMC yarn for jewelry making. I'm making a jewelry with this DMC yarn and I love DMC yarn. For jewelry, DMC yarn is the best and Alnadius yarn too. So this both kind of yarn the best for jewelry. I have so many Aunt Lady's yarn and DMC yarn in my home. So I just look at this and I'll take some today, white and red color and one golden color. This is the Aunt Lady's again. And this is the caron cake. There are so many caron cake here and this is one kind of yarn I see the first time. It's really glassy, so beautiful, so cool. Wow, it's pretty nice. And so many collection, you see. So beautiful. Look at this one, it's so pretty. So there are all wool. Now it's winter, so everybody buy wool. This line for accessories. Now I'm coming in jewelry section and I love jewelry section because I love to make jewelry. So there are so many accessories for I use jewelry making. You can see there are so many crystal over here and pearl and crystal. This is red color crystal. This is orange color crystal. Look at this one, it's so pretty, it's multicolor. So beautiful crystal, so shiny, so glassy, so pretty. If I use this crystal in my jewelry, it's look like it's really expensive. That's why I buy this crystal and I use with my jewelry. It's look great. So you can see this is silver crystal, all silver one. And there are so many stone, beads, so many accessories over here. This is beads too. So colorful. I like golden color, so I will take one golden color beads. Every color is available, you can see. I take one. I love golden, so I take golden color. But every color is available, whatever you like, you know. This is Swarovski stone, and this stone is really, really nice. If I put any jewelry, it's look like it's so expensive. You see, it's shiny, so shiny. Swarovski stone is look like a diamond. I can see that. Look, is so many color over here. It's pink, purple, red. Look at this one, it's so pretty. Every color is available and every size also. Small, medium, large. Look at this four stone, it's so shiny, so pretty. This is jewelry case, you can see, for decoration. There are so many stuff for jewelry making. Look at this one, is lock over here. So pretty. This is all accessories for making jewelry. They're all tools for making jewelry. I have 2 tools, so I don't need it. But there are so many tools over there. It's so pretty. Look at this one. It's so small, but it's really nice. I like it. So many accessories over here. It's chain, silver color, golden color chain. And beads and everything. I'm almost done. Look at here. My basket is fuller and I'm stand up after 6 feet distance. So I just now in the line. If you live in New York City, you can look over here. I'm pretty sure you'll find your yarn. So thanks for watching my video. And if you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get notification my update videos. I hope you enjoy my video and happy crochet. Bye bye.